We are at Grosvenor House today, and I'm going to be showing you some of the really cool features that this venue has to offer for your next event. So this is the foyer area. Your guests are going to come through this door on their way down to the great hall for their event. This is a perfect opportunity for branding, sponsor placement, and digital signage. Let's crack on and have a look at the actual main space. This is where the guests are first going to get their impression on the space. Over here we have a branding board. This is ideal for those press shots. All of your sponsors' logos, floor to ceiling, some uplighters, it looks absolutely stunning. Coming on through, there are bars over here and over there with a couple of little smaller breakout rooms for green rooms or meeting spaces or offices. We also have table plans which we put in so that the guests can find their seats quickly and easily. Quick one on table plans. Many people have a tendency of printing their table plans, but when you're dealing with 800-900 guests, guarantee someone is going to change their name, someone's going to move, someone's going to be on a different table. Doing this digitally, A, saves on print and it's more sustainable, but B, gives you flexibility to make last minute changes, especially in the dynamic world of events. This is what we are here for. This space here is the great room. From the balcony, you get a view over everything, from the staging, the tables. This is one of my favourite views in the venue, and it's a little bit of a secret because most people get to view the event from downstairs. This is the great room. Down here on the floor, you can see the view is absolutely unhindered by columns, pillars, obstructions. This is a pure view, every point in the room, pointing towards your stage. Of course, you've got the balcony area, so if you've really sold out and you need to get more seats in, there's a lovely balcony area under here which has its own sound system built in. While we're in the middle of the room, it's worth talking about acoustics. Every venue has its ups and downs. This venue has some brilliant acoustic treatment in the walls, and it has a brilliant in-house system that you can utilise with plenty of delays in the roof to ensure that all of your guests have good, clear audio during the event.